Started unboxing this other box of G1 figures. Figured I'd do the second video. Got these shelves set up since the last video. This top one will probably change. First two figures I pulled out of the bin. These guys. Top spin and twin twist. So I pulled those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures out the top of here. Get a little peek. Goofy Galvatron. Legs click sideways or something. Like a lot of these, I went and put the, it's called Toy Hacks now. I forget what it originally was called. Some of their sticker labels on a few of these figures. Those two have them, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I just got the new one of this, and I have not completed. Oh, nice. Yeah. Here's the whole set. Just in time, too. So we're just now getting a remake that'll match these originals. And this guy's hard to find already. They didn't make a whole unique version for the modern version of Ransack. That's his name. Yeah, Ransack. These are the deluxe Insecticons. Barrage. Venom. I have him pre-ordered. I think he's coming out in the Legacy line or Age of Primes. I'd have to go back and look. And Chop Shop. Some triple changers. That's the ones I'm working on right now too. Completing for a new version. Deluxe Insecticons and triple changers. Here's a shelf a little more. Siege, EARTHRISE, Kingdom. They're reissuing Trailbreaker. Anybody needing him? I don't know about Hoist. I actually had him pre-ordered. I didn't think I had this guy. I had to dig these out. Another reason I got into these collections. Let's see which ones I had and which ones I was missing. I've been collecting figures 30 years. And the amount of figures I've had, I've sold over $30,000 worth of figures. I started in the early 2000s. I bought every Transformer figure, G.I. Joe, anything of that nature that's come out since, pretty much. Not here lately. I don't do the classified G.I. Joes. I don't buy G.I. Joe anymore. Just finishing these Transformers. I had all the Energon, Armada, Cybertron, original Cybertron. Where are those guys? There they are. What other lines was it? Alternators? Remember those? Had all those. Sold all them figures. Had all the original Mask figures. Had all the original He-Man. Sold them all. And this little remnant of Origins is a little tribute to me having the collection before, to myself. That original gray skull's the only thing I kept from what I used to have. There's a nice one. Garage and chop shop. So finally got a modern version for those that are matching. 30 years? 25 years later. Well, 40-year anniversary for the Transformers, isn't it? 41. Getting old. I may not get this whole box unboxed on one video. I don't do it now, huh? Let's just get them all out. I'll start the next video like I did this one and show what I have set up and then get into the last box, which looks like it's going to be the first seasons. We went backwards. Open season 3 box, and this looks like mostly season 2. And yeah, I'll do some individual really nice videos on each season. Like season 1 Decepticons, season 1 Autobots, season 2 Decepticons, Autobots, and so on. These are original. None of these are Target Master or Headmaster. Original Hot Rod. I forgot to cut my phone off. It's steaming. There's a nice little set. This is the triple changers. Blitzwing. An Astro Train. Good shape. I forgot how good a shape those two were. I have some nice ones. Most of these are really nice. I have a few that are not quite up to par. Shockwave. One of his legs is a little janky. I remember trying to do a repair where they click down here. There's quite a few. Goodness. There he is. Check it out. Refractor. Get his other parts. I may be missing a couple missiles for this guy. I think he was one of the last ones I was trying to complete. And they were so hard to find. I think I had just gave up. I may have 1 or 2, and it's supposed to have 3. Something of that nature. Y'all won't see what I'm talking about over there if you didn't watch the last video. I started the video off talking about him. Refractor of the camera. It's the original Insecticons. Let's put them up here by their buddies. We had 8 minutes. Goodness. We'll stop around 10 minutes. No. Pretty decent shape. Scourge has some sun damage. He's one that's not quite up to par. Let's see. Yeah, the toy has the shield on his face. I don't think I want the new 2-pack. I'm gonna go back and get the Legacy Sandstorm. Ooh, Blaster. And oh, I got another treat for you. I'm just about done with the 86 Studio Series line. Blaster number 25 will be the last one for it that I'm waiting on. There's this gun. Autobot triple changers. And you got some G1 guys or Season 1 guys in here too, it looks like. Oh, Hasbro, good lord. Reissue these guys, run amok and run about. Never made a... These are the only two I got now that I don't have a modern version. I'm not paying 150 bucks for him. Sectagon gun. There's... Yeah, it had to be $200 to get these two modern versions of Runabout and Run 'em Up. Uh-oh. Not click in no more. Oh boy. I'd take him apart. Springer broadside. Good shape. Mini bots. Ooh, I'm gonna do a video all by themselves on those guys. I'm gonna get all my mini bots out. See what we're lacking on the new ones. Yeah, Deluxe Power Glide, I know that right off the top. We'll save that. I'll start the next video on that and unboxing the last storage bin of the originals. And I'll lay these out on a shelf somehow. Come back, show you what I got. I gotta find a bunch of stuff I want to part with and get rid of, sell, give away. I don't really care for these three figures, I know that right off the top. I do, I just don't really have anything to go with. That's why they're together. Cup can go with these other guys over here, I think. It needs to. This is interesting. I got some customs I want to work on too, and I was curious if you could switch places with this on the original trailer, and if this would do the same. I'm sure if it does, there's tons of YouTube videos of people doing it and showing it. I haven't searched for it. Let me check it out. What else did I have? I had a newer version, Bayverse deluxe size truck and trailer in this scale. One was chrome. I'm gonna do a custom with it. Break all that out and do another video. Alright, on top of that will probably be different. I was showing Soundwave last time. I missed this. I know I showed it before. We got an original pre-rub sign. Soundwave. That's my little holy grail. All this paperwork. I made this custom made case and wrapped it. Did all the sewing and everything. Where we at? Oh, 13 minutes. Probably done went over. Alright. Peace. To the next one.